guys, I'm Charlie and welcome to my channel. I basically reignited my love for cosplay during something that we all know a bit too well at the minute, which was lockdown. I basically decided to create this channel to show you guys how I get my cosplays and, well, parts of my cosplay looking like this. From, well, this. I probably decided to start with a cosplay that is my most ambitious project yet, particularly as I am a complete foam newbie. But hey ho, that's me. So this video features a week's worth of work that went into creating my Wonder Woman shield. I've condensed it into something crazy like 4 minutes, so I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and please feel free to leave a comment down below or through my Instagram, because I'd love to hear what you guys think, or if you've got any tips or advice for me for future projects. So, on with the video. So firstly, I drew out my various circles onto my shield from random objects around the house. I then used a ruler to create the guidelines for the sun. I did not use a pattern, so this was very time consuming and not very symmetrical. On YouTube there are various tutorials on how to create a shield out of foam, so I did do my research beforehand. I discovered that the yoga ball method was probably best for me, probably because it did look really fun. After about 10 minutes, I did finally blow up the ball after completely underestimating how long and how much effort it would take. Once it was done, I popped the shield on top of the ball and wrapped it in a lot of cling film, and I mean a lot. Please make sure that you do have plenty with you before you begin. And then once you've done that, I used duct tape to go around the edges to really smooth that bad boy out. I didn't want it to bump up in any place. So yeah, I sealed it all fully with duct tape. And there you have it, one shield wrapped around a ball. I then popped it in my car for about 4 hours. Now, you can use scissors to remove, but I waited 4 hours and was extremely excited, so I just ripped it all apart. My next step was to cut out 2 small brown leather straps. These are so that I'm able to hold the shield. I also, using the same yoga ball method, cut out a smaller circular disc, attached the straps to that, sprayed the contact adhesive to both sides before pushing the inner circle inside the outer. I triple checked this part just to make sure that both sides were stuck down together properly. Whilst analysing Wonder Woman's shield, I did notice that there are various details at different levels. I decided to start by cutting out a smaller circle that was going to act as the outline for around the sun. I then began lining up and cutting out the sun details before sticking them on top. Once all the details were stuck down, it was time for plaster dip. I probably used about 3 layers. I do wish, however, I used more. This was because during the painting process I noticed a lot of the layers firstly began to absorb, so it did take slightly longer than originally planned. Once my 2 base colours were down, it was time to build up the shading. I simply used a dry brush and a mixture of black and gold paint, and just built up my layers that way. I used a lot of layers and lost count, but it is down to you on how far you'd like to go. And there you have it, one Wonder Woman shield.